on Fox 14.
Welcome back to the KOM Morning News on Fox 14. Joining us in studio today is Jessica Palmert. She's here to tell us all about the Joplin history murder mystery. So welcome to the show, Jessica.
Thank you.
So
It's
first
happy
of
to
all,
be here.
We were talking during the commercial about this, and I think it looks amazing. So tell us about it.
Yes, so Josh Shackles, our board president, has written this murder mystery, including all the Joplin history. So you have John Cox, you have the Murfreesburg gentleman, you have Bill Lupton, all these different characters that are very meaningful to Joplin history if you've studied that. And it's just a fun show that everyone who shows up puts on together. So you show up, you get a clipboard, and you will have certain things you're supposed to do or say throughout the night that give hints as to how this murder occurred. And so of course, at the end of the night, you're like, oh, so-and-so killed so-and-so, but you don't know until the very end.
Does a person who guesses the murderer, do they get anything special?
They will get an award, yes. They will get an award. And all this is going back to support Joplin NALA. So we're a literacy organization that provides free classes and tutoring for those who are either needing to learn English because it's not their native language, or they're needing assistance with English, just learning to read or working on math skills. So maybe they can improve job situations, or they can just be able to write a card to their grandkids for Christmas or read something their grandkid gave them. So, you know, there's all kinds of resources that we have at NALA, and all the proceeds will go back to Joplin NALA.
And are there still tickets open?
Yes, there are still some tickets available. Please get those as soon as possible.
Are they?
They're $50 each, which I think is reasonable for a night of fun on the town, right?
Yeah, because you mentioned all this stuff right here. There's like dancing and dinner and money games and photo booth. But I see also you said that when they come, they have to semi-formal, formal, Western, or appropriate costume.
Yes.
So they have to dress up.
Yes,
That's part of it.
Right. If you have a Western Victorian costume, boy, you will fit right in. If you don't, you will also fit right in. Yes. So wear Western wear Western Victorian, wear semi-formal, wear formal if you want to. Kind of come dressed as you choose to dress, but all of those are appropriate.
Okay, so if they want to buy a ticket, where would they go?
So you can go to our website to www.joplinnala, that's two N's, JOPLINNALA.org, and go to events, and it will be there. You can buy, there's a link there, you can buy the tickets there, or you can go to our Facebook page to the Joplin History Murder Mystery event page, and you can find it there.
And when is this event scheduled to happen?
So it's going to be June the 3rd, which is this Saturday, and it's from 6 to 8:30 p.m. inside the Palace Event Center, which is inside Palace Pizza, which is a new pizza restaurant here in Joplin. And so that's the food we'll be serving. It'll be Palace Pizza, which if you haven't been, you should go. It's amazing. They put something on top that's just delicious. And then we'll have dessert pizza as well. And so it's just going to be a lot of fun.
Oh, that's awesome. Okay, well, thank you so much. I hope to look for all the pictures and stuff like that.
Oh, yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun.
All right, well, thank you so much.
Yeah.
We'll be right back.